welcome back to my channel. I'm Denny and today is day 1 of box week and we have the Graze Box. Now this box is a snack box and it is a $13.99 subscription here in the US. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this for you guys to see what I got. I've been wanting to bring more snacks to my channel because I used to do it way back when I first started, and I just haven't done it in a long time. If you want to get your own Graze, I'm going to go ahead and put the information down below. I know that they give you a free snack box which comes with 4 different flavor snacks as a free gift, and then if you want to get the full-size one, it's $13.99. You get 8 different snacks. So today's box has 8, and they sent over natural vanilla seed, and this one right here has some vanilla, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds in this one. I also got the Fantastic Forest Fruits, which has this, and it looks like it only has, it has blueberries, lingonberries, soft apple pieces, and cherry raisins. Then the next one that I have is sweet rhubarb jam. That is what this one looks like, and it has inside rhubarb slices, apple, and cranberries. That's interesting. Then the next snack that I have is snickerdoodle dip, and this one comes with cinnamon pretzels and the snickerdoodle dip. Then the next layer has a few different things. It has some cinnamon pretzels, and the cinnamon pretzels just come with pretzels and cinnamon honey almonds. And the next little snack is the sweet mustard ranch, and that's what this one looks like. It comes with pretzels, sour cream, and onion, cashews, and mustard breadsticks. That one's interesting. It looks like they sent me a lot of savory ones. The next one is wholesome honey nut, and this one comes with honey drizzled cashews with pumpkin seeds and baked salted peanuts. Then the last one that was sent in here is the cherry pear walnut anytime energizer, and I'm assuming that comes with cherry pear and walnut. So that right there was everything that came inside my Graze box. It also gave me a coupon for Home Chef, and it says redeem $35 of free meals from Home Chef, and the code that they're giving me is GRZE35 to get that free $35. It looks like they always send different things, like these little coupon things. I'm not 100% sure. It says pick a free gift with your first shop order, and I have not ordered anything yet. So far I've been noticing that these have really good snack options. I like these little snack things just to take with me into work. I can just throw one in my purse and I can have it as a snack whenever I need a snack during the day, and it always gives me something different to munch on. I do enjoy that. So if you watched my video from last month where I did get a snack box, I loved the pumpkin flapjack bar. That thing was amazing, and I did go back to check the price to get the full-size item because I need that in my life. So I'm really happy with this box. If you like more snack type boxes, go ahead and let me know about it down in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of my GonzFam, and as always, from my house to yours, love ya.